Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to verify your Lendio email address. Verifying your email is required before you can fully use your Lendio account. Here's how to do it. First, after creating your account, Lendio automatically sends a verification email to the address that you registered with. Just open your email inbox and look for the message from Lendio. The subject line usually says something like verify your email address. Now, inside the email, click the verify email button or link. This will redirect you back to Lendio's website. Once redirected, you're going to see a confirmation message on screen letting you know that your email is now verified. If you can't find the email, be sure to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. If you still can't see it, then log into your Lendio dashboard and you're going to see an option to resend verification email. Without email verification, your account access is limited, so complete this step immediately so that you can apply for loans and receive important updates. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.